Okay, we just learn how to connect the cable. We know let's check the controller box. And first, we open the switch. Open the door. Open the door. Here is Z axis, Y axis, X. Here is must open the here. Open the here. Here is welding power. Here is welding power. Here is water tank, right? And check cable. Check the line is correct or not. How to check it? If you not check it, also no problem. We can see the here. Here is A axis servo, C axis servo, is B axis servo, and welding field driver this, and here is Z axis, Y, and A. Here is PLC from the Siemens. And here must check it. If you receive the machine when the shipping, here must only out. We must check it. Okay, check it. After do it, we open the switch. Here is the machine, the input the power the switch. Okay. When you open this one, must check the here. Also check the here. You can use the when you open the switch the first before, we must use this check the A and B, the voltage is correct or not. B and C the voltage, A and C the voltage, and then A and M, B and N, C and N, the voltage is correct or not. A and N, same the B and N, same the C and N. The A and N, the voltage is 220 voltage. A and B, A and C, B and C, the voltage is 380 voltage. Must check it correct or not. Okay? If correct, then we do next step. After the voltage is correct, we open the switch. Here is open it. After open it, check the drivers is correct or not. Here is F. Okay, no alarm. No alarm is good. Here is wrong. Right? Wrong. After do it, we close you can, if you not ready, we can turn off the welding power and the water tank. We turn off. Okay, turn off. Then we first close the door. And take here. Then close. Okay, close it. Okay. This one is how to connect the input power and check the input power. Then open the switch, check the servo motor and another drivers is good working or not work. Okay, then we do next step.